जीवन हमें एक मौका देता है, इसलिए जब भी सही कॉलेज चुनने का समय आए तो सिर्फ मंगलायतन यूनिवर्सिटी आपके बेहतरीन भविष्य और सर्वांगीण विकास के लिए।
Hello everyone, this is Simran Rajpal and you're watching JagranJosh. Many students dream of studying abroad for global degrees and better career prospects. But often this dream faces a hurdle, that is the visa rejection. These rejections are often due to avoidable mistakes. With the right strategy, you can boost your chances. Let's look at the top 5 reasons why student visas get denied and how to prevent them. First up is the statement of purpose, that is the SOP. This essay is your personal pitch explaining your goals, why you choose a specific program and why you are a good fit. Don't copy templates. Your SOP must be personalized, clearly explaining your course and country choice and how it aligns with your career aspirations. A weak or generic SOP can directly lead to rejection. Next, you must convince the visa officer that you have enough funds to cover your studies and living expenses without needing to work illegally. Provide valid and verifiable bank records, sponsorship letters and income tax returns, that are the ITRs of your sponsors. Lack of convincing financial evidence is a major red flag for visa authorities. You need to show compelling reasons that you will return to your home country after completing your studies. This could include strong family ties, job prospects, or business obligations back home. If your profile suggests no strong reason to return, the visa officer might suspect you plan to overstay, leading to denial. Inconsistencies in your academic record or unexplained gaps can significantly jeopardize your visa approval. If you have any gaps in your studies, you must clearly explain them to the visa officer, providing proof like medical certificates for illness or letters from employers for work experience. Emphasize that you are now ready and committed to resuming your studies. Finally, the visa interview plays a crucial role in decision-making process for many countries, especially the US. Inadequate preparation can be fatal. Practice common interview questions, know all details about your chosen university and course content, and clearly articulate your future plans. Be confident, honest, and show enthusiasm for academic journey. So, there you have it, the top 5 reasons student visas get rejected along with actionable tips to avoid them. By preparing a strong SOP, providing sufficient financial proof, demonstrating ties to your home country, addressing academic gaps, and preparing thoroughly for your interview, you can significantly strengthen your application. Remember, thorough planning is key to realizing your dream of study abroad. All the best with your applications and keep watching JagranJosh.